We're Lance and Christy. Join us as we build our dream. Welcome to Knight's Helm Farms. Are you telling me it's time to open the box? Okay, we can do it. Yeah, let me get a knife. You know, we need a knife. Yeah? You ready to open it? Yeah. Gotta find the tape. Yep, it's right there. Yeah. Tape's right there. Okay. You want to open it, but you don't want to open it. And see what's inside? Oh my goodness. Here's a purry puzzle catnip toy. Let's see. Yep, I got that thing. You want that? That's pretty cute, actually. Here. You want that? And there's another catnip toy. It looks like a cup of coffee. Oh, maybe it's hot chocolate because it's got a marshmallow. What does it say? Yeah, hot cocoa marshmallow catnip toy. That's big. Yeah. And cat lady kitty cat pens. Oh my gosh. Those are cute. They all have different faces. One's winking. Wonder what color they write. They probably all write blue. It'd be cool if they wrote these pretty colors. Oh, that's the winner, huh? We have a winner. Do you want this one too? Yeah? Okay. Okay. Well, I guess we're changing the camera angle already. Yeah. There we go. There. We'll just show everybody else everything down here. This is a sweatshirt. My cat is a national treasure. Are you a national treasure? Huh? I think so. And then there is a cozy glow shelf kitten, like a neon sign cat. And of course we have, and we didn't get a card today this time. There's no artwork. Just a card telling us about their other service. So there's this cat lady box, which has stuff for humans. And then there's another subscription called Spoiled Cats Club, which is just the cat stuff. Or you can do both. So for your cats, for you and your cat. And of course, you like the box. And I put all the trash in the box. So let me get all the trash back out of the box. I feel like I need a cameraman when we're doing cat lady boxes. Yeah. Let's cut this off of here. Okay, be careful. There we go. Be careful. I'll get rid of the trash. You gonna be up there now? You're pretty crazy. It's hard to keep you in camera frame. Yeah, you're pretty crazy. So 2 cat toys. Here. A light, some pins, and a hoodie. Well, sweatshirt. There's no hood. Let's take a look at this sign. Just happens that we open these all in the library. There's a lot of shelves. Oh, it's USB. Maybe I should put it on my computer. On my monitor. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. I mean, you could plug it into electrical with the adapter, but I'll probably put it on my monitor. You've done me again. Decided to move. You're crazy, Vivian. Is that a good one? Yeah. Yeah, hot cocoa with the marshmallow in it. Just what we need. We got an ice storm coming at us. We might need some hot cocoa. We might. We've been doing winter prep. Trying to get everything taken care of. Thought we were going to get away this year without a freeze, and then we got one a couple weeks ago. 2 nights. And everything was fine. But now this big thing coming down from Canada after us, so. Where are you taking it? I'm surprised Zeus isn't in here. I'm bringing it back. Hi, Bibs. It's a hit, huh? You like it? Did you like Do you like your cat lady box this month? Huh? Do you like your cat lady box this month? Okay. Was it worth it? You've been bugging me. She's been bugging me for a couple of days. Open this box. Open this box. And now I know why the cat toys were right on top. Yeah. Gonna go get the other toy? Crazy girl. Yeah. You're a crazy girl. Now you can get in the box and take a nap. Yeah, go get in the box and take a nap. I'll put your new toys in it. I needed Zeusy in here to add some spice. Yeah. Yeah. Are you happy? Yeah? Are you happy? Yeah. Are you happy now? Okay. Tell everybody thanks for watching. We'll see you next month. I'm not sure if there's a Cat Lady box next month or not, but I have to resubscribe, and I can't remember if February is the last one or if this was the last one. So there might be a month where we don't have one, but that's okay. Can you imagine not having anything on your list to the point where you could get in a box and go, I don't know if I want to take a nap or not. Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.